Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm so excited about this video. Oh my god, because in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 5 ways how you can elevate your home, make your home look expensive on a budget. These are simple ways that you can make your home look expensive. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to talk about is having matching bowls and plates in your kitchen. Oh my god, if you want your kitchen to look cheap, just a whole mess, just get the plates that are all colorful, all different shapes, size. That's a hot mess, right? You can go to the thrift store. You can find matching plate set with bowls at the thrift store for cheap. Remember, I told you simple ways that are on a budget. So go to the thrift store. You can find matching plate set, coffee mugs, bowls that are cheap. When you put those in your cabinet, and if you can, go for white. White is just clean, fresh, and it's just simple, right? So if you can, go for white. But if not, once it is matching, that's gonna elevate your kitchen from 0 to 100. When you open those cabinets, it's gonna look so nice. This next tip is almost piggybacking off the first tip, and this is about your bathroom, your linen closet, and that is get all white towel. Or it doesn't even have to be white, as I said, but just make sure they're matching. So whatever towels you have going on in there, just keep it. So it's white, it's gray, it's dark blue or black, whatever. Just make sure it's the same color towels that you have in your linen closet. That's just gonna just elevate the space. It's gonna make it look expensive. It's gonna make it look organized. It's just gonna look so much better than if you were supposed to have towels in there with all different colors and patterns. It just look like a hot mess. It doesn't look good. It does not look. Whenever you're trying to get your home to look expensive, less is more, right? So you don't even have to go complete minimalist, but you don't want clutter. So make sure that you declutter your space first thing. And what you can do also is for like your products, you can get matching bottles. So you can buy a set of bottles off Amazon. You can pour your hand soap in one, you can pour your shampoo in one, and you can label them, make them all look cute, so it just looks so much better, so much more put together. And again, even if you don't want to go that extreme, just make sure that you take it out of the store-bought bottle, right? So for example, the hand soap, we know that they sell the hand soap in the bottle in the store where you can just use it from that. Don't do that. But you can buy the hand soap, but make sure that you pour it in one of those soap dispenser. That's just gonna look so much cuter, so much nicer and put together, and it's gonna elevate your space. Okay, another way that you can elevate your space and make your space look so expensive and luxurious is by simply painting your walls with a light color. Use a white or a half white. Any one of those really light colors is gonna elevate your space and just make your house look so much brighter and lighter. And then when you do that, you can play with different textures and patterns in your decor, because you have this light and white hairy atmosphere. Listen to me, guys. The motto here is being bougie on a budget. Yes, you can be bougie on a budget. That's my motto. So you want to shop for your decorative pieces at the thrift store, and whenever you're styling your decorative pieces, like your coffee table or your entry console, make sure that you style them in 3. So you use one large piece, and then a medium one, and a small one. You can use books, you can use plants. Just make sure that it is in 3. I don't know, when it's in 3 it works better. Your eyes catches it more. I don't know, I'm not an interior designer, but I look at interior designing a lot, so I steal their little stuff, their little ideas, and you just learn as you go along. So I really don't know the logics behind it, but I know that when you're making your little design on your tables and stuff, make sure that you use 3 different pieces of different height and size. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Those are the 5 simple ways how you can make your home look so much more expensive and luxurious. Okay, if this video was helpful, please hit that thumbs up button And if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to share the video, share the video, share the video. Sharing is caring. With that being said, I'll see you guys back here for our next video next week. Bye guys.